I'm Philip, and so was the man that brought the curve of the economical plan, the Phillips curve.
Whoa, I'm strapped. I'm ready to go. For sure.
Word?
Don't hit a ho-ho. My name is 50 Spence, and I'll be trying to make some sense out of this Phillips curve. You know, econ takes you for a swerve, but you just gotta be on top of your game, you know? Just stay on top all day long. Like this Phillips curve right here. Alright, getting in the song. Let's do it. The Phillips curve will make you swerve unless you know econ and you have some nerve. Invented by a guy in 58, he thought of a model that was up to date. It showed the relationship between the two. Concrete variables we will teach you. Graphing inflation and unemployment, the curve shows a relationship for your enjoyment. It tells how one is higher than the other. You know our economy will surely suffer. Unemployment on the X and inflation on the Y predicts if you be writing checks or if you should cry. If inflation, you know, is on the rise, contractionary policy I would advise. It takes money out of the system and restores the curve to equilibrium. And then, if unemployment has got you down, expansionary policy will make you dance like a clown. It puts more money into the system and restores the curve to equilibrium. What is equilibrium, you might ask? It's when everything is up to the task. Unemployment is at 5%, and inflation is kept low to give value to a cent. Now that you are in the know, we would like to end this hell of a show. The Phillips curve can be your best friend if you know what to do in an economic trend. The Phillips curve will make you swerve unless you know econ and you have some nerve. Now that is all I'm gonna do, so I hope that you are good.
Yeah, yo!